Hello everyone and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room recap for Monday, March the 13th. My name is Barry Anerson. I'm the moderator of our trading room. This is the address to get into the room, and the room is open between 9 a.m. and 4 p.m. up to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I share my screen all day long, and I'm live on the mic between, say, 9 and 4, up to 4. And it is a free room, no strings attached. You don't have to be a member of Trade Ideas. You can come into the room, see what we do, and no, we only ask that you talk about stocks, and that's it. Okay, it's not a chat room, it is a trading room. All right, let's take a look at kind of a slow day for me. Few little losses, one nice little gain on this one. Get it here. All right, NVDQ. Well, that didn't work. Just a second here. Put you on. All right, so NVDQ, and somebody asked me, well, why did I pick this one? Was it Holly Trade? No. Our price alerts. Time frame, let's take a look at the time frame on the daily chart. And let me back this out just a little bit here. Maybe you'll see what I was looking at. So I thought, you know what, if this gets over 8, then it's got this interesting area, this potential fill area right here. And so I set the alert right at 8:05, and let's see what happened. 15-minute chart, get the 15-minute chart up. Set the alert at 8:05. Took the trade right here at, set the alert right there at 8:05. Took the trade at 8:13, right there, okay. And that's also something that I should tell you, is that just because I got the alert right there, the alert, it happened, I watched it. Just because I get an alert doesn't mean I just hop into the trade. So I looked at it for a bit. I watched this pullback. And then as it broke through 8 the second time, that's when I decided to take the trade. You know, sort of on this pullback and then the pop through, especially look at that volume. I mean, the volume, there's no guarantee of any trade working the way you think it should, but when I see this sort of a volume bar and a real strong pop through again that whole number, that's what kind of convinced me to take the trade. So got into the trade at 8:13. And, I sold pieces along the way. I was really, really hoping that it would, with authority, pop through 850. It didn't. So, I got out some at 836, some at 830, and some at 825, as it was just hanging around this area. I got out just before this downturn happened. So, on a percentage basis, and the first part that I got out was very, very quick. This popped very quickly. So on a percentage basis, it wasn't too bad. I'm in this one right now, SIRU. I'm in at 233, right about here, close enough, 233. Now, this is something that we identified in the pre-market. This, you can see actually after hours, and this is after hours on Friday. This is the pre-market today, the pink area. And the news is that they're putting themselves up, or they may put themselves up for sale. So, we watched this one, and I missed it. I mean, I was not able to get in quickly enough. It didn't give me a good entry, and it just ran away from me. I could not chase it. Pulled back through this area. Then I looked here. I thought, you know what? If it takes this out, there's 230 right there. We'll pull back. Look at the volume. A little volume bar right there. Not bad. So I decided to take the trade at 233. I don't know what to expect out of this one. I mean, I expect it to stall up here. As I said in the room, probably I should have taken some out right in this area. I was thinking maybe it could get closer to 250 before it stalled. But anyway, we'll see. I'm in at 233, and we'll see if it can just kind of continue. Maybe this is a nice little gentle pullback, and it will continue. What else did I do? Oh yeah, Court didn't turn out to be too bad a trade. It was a quick trade. Court again was one that I had set a price alert on. This is why, our setting price alerts. And why did I set a price alert on this one? I don't think there's any resistance. I think if you go back even further, there's no resistance. So again, this is something that I noticed when I was doing my work on the weekend. So I set a price alert right about here on the I think on the 11 break. See how it popped up in the pre-market? That's right, it popped up in the pre-market. So I also had my eye on it, and it came all the way back down. And then when it got back up again, I took the trade at 11:17. It popped almost immediately to 11:36, which I got out some, and then it collapsed almost immediately. This was a very, very quick trade, and got out basically flat on that on the last bit. But it wasn't a bad trade. CAMT I'm still in this one, barely. I'm in at 4. This is a Holly alert. Really has done nothing. I took the trade right here, and has really done nothing. And what else? Airy was another Holly trade, and is now starting to work. Unfortunately, I've missed this one. The alert was around 1870. I got in at 1875, and then this happened. I took a 10-cent loss on it. So, but it looks like it is trying to move. This is a resort, and if you look at Wynn, casino and resort, it's part of that sector. I guess the numbers are in from Macau, and they're pretty good. The casinos are all kind of rocking today, so that's why I was interested in Airy. Airy could be could be something to watch tomorrow, especially if it does break 19. All right. Well, again, a kind of a quiet day for me. I want to get back into the room, see what's cooking, if anything, and I think that is about it. Yep, that's about it. Close down that. And again, this is how to get into the room. Free room, share my screen all day long, get live on the mic at actually start sharing my screen at 8:45, and I get live on the mic at 9 o'clock, and I go up to 4 p.m. Also at 3 p.m. every day, I go over what I call my evening scan, which is taking a look at stocks, which were probably the biggest movers, either up or down for the day, and also ones that are near their high or their low for the day. And we go through them just to see whether or not we can perhaps set some price alerts in case there's continuation of those stocks the next tomorrow or the next day, either on the upside or the downside. All right, let me just that's it. I hope to see you in our trading room tomorrow. And as always, there will be in the text part of this email that you get, there's a link for show you what our relationship is between ourselves and Interactive Brokers. And there's a nice video there that does explain it. All right, well, thanks for listening, and hope to see you in our trading room tomorrow. Bye-bye.